Hello, it's me, #1 Keychron employee on the planet, and today we're checking out Black Myth Wukong. They partnered with them to make a Black Myth Wukong keyboard. I've never played this game before, and I've heard it's pretty sick, so we're gonna play it for the first time. And it comes in two different kinds. They have the Deluxe Edition and the regular edition. We got the Deluxe Edition. Whoa, whoa, look dude, it's not even in English. Look at that. Whoa, what does that say? Wait, do you read that way or this way? Smash like, subscribe if you know how to read that. I don't know. Look at that, dude. Wow. I mean, I could just lift that part up, but I don't want to ruin it yet. All right, let's see what this thing looks like. I'm pretty hype. I mean, I have to look at it upside down, but at least you guys get to see it. Whoa. Oh, that's what the extra other half of the box is for? Look at that. Dude, there's the dongle, there's the, like the escape key, I think. And this is your knob for your sound. And then all the golden keycaps. That's cool. Shiny. This thing's pretty cool, man. Look, it says Black Myth Wukong. Look at that. Wow. And then 820. I don't know what that means. I don't even want to like touch this. I just want to like keep it and never open it. This is just the first layer, and then there's more underneath. Some extra tactile white switches. Feels pretty good. And then we have those little tensioner bars. Extra rubber feet in case they fall off or get dirty, you need new ones. And then you have a Type-C to Type-A adapter. And then you have the green one, jade. We have a Type-C to Type-A cable, respectably long enough to get to my PC, not short enough to be disrespectful. We have an Allen key and a Phillips head. Wow, okay. Huh? Look at that, dude. Those gold keycaps are so fire. Oh yes, it's very heavy, man. Hold up. It's a 75%. It's got a little volume knob. I like the gold keycaps the most, obviously. So the bottom says Black Myth Wukong. Side, nothing. Other side, nothing. Back, you have Black Myth Wukong X Keychron Type-C port. You have your mode switch there, wired, Bluetooth, or wireless. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, let's pull the plastic off. Is it less reflective now? Look at that. Oh, yes, yeah. It's not smooth, it's like engraved or like printed on or something. Wow. And then there's a little symbol there too. You got your rubber feet that we had the replacements for earlier. Oh yeah. That's so cool. Black Myth Wukong, I didn't know you were built like that, bro. You making deals with Keychron and shoe. I mean, let's be honest, we can't do this without putting on the gold keycaps. Let's go ahead and do that, shall we? Hope I don't break anything. Okay, so I figured out what the 820 was in the box. So the Deluxe Edition, they only made 1,000 of them originally. So I guess I got number 820. Okay, so this thing is called an Ebongold Spaulder keycap. It's made of brass. It's supposed to represent Wukong's legendary armor. And then the Gourd, it says it represents Wukong's signature Gourd. So I guess he also has a Gourd. Forgot to mention heavy aluminum. Ain't breaking anytime soon. First impressions of this thing, man. This thing is so sick. This is like one of the coolest keyboards I've ever reviewed, and I'll tell you why. And I know I say that all the time. I really like, first of all, the use of like cool metal. I like the gold. I like the brass. I like how heavy it is. The just showing off on the back is just one of a kind. I really, really like that. Yeah, let's plug it in, test the driver out, and then play some Black Myth Wukong. Oh! Okay, here we go, baby. Let's plug it in. First time. Boom, dang, look at that. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is go over here, click connect. It'll say Wukong, hit connect. I'll leave a link for this in the description, of course. So you have your key map, you have your backlight, you got your different modes. Obviously we're going jelly bean raindrop all the way. You got your 24 different modes. brightness adjustment, speed adjustment. You have your macro set up. Looks like you can pretty much make any key a macro. You got your quick start, firmware update, wireless firmware. You got your key tester. That works. Bug report. And that's pretty much it. You got media, macro, special keys, lighting. Alright, let's try the different modes, shall we? Alright, so that's Keychron for you. Let's go ahead and get into some Blacksmith Wukong, the moment you've all been waiting for, or the moment that everyone leaves a video. I don't know. Some people like gaming, some people don't. Is that monkey? Is this just a monkey game? Is that a giant? Whoa! Oh my god, it's like the gods. No way I'm fighting this guy, right? Yo! My game's not even lagging. Knock on wood. This is the coolest game ever! Whoa! Look how angry he is over there. Bongo drum. Oh my god. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Yeah! Dude, I played Dynasty Warriors growing up. This is like Dynasty Warriors, like, times 1,000.
My master. Safe. The scriptures. Sound. All I ever wanted was a life in my mountain, free from you and your so-called merits. Those high above don't trust me. I understand that. And they send you and those knuckleheads to threaten me, to obey and serve once more. I understand that too.
Monkey!
But what I don't understand is... you bastards killing my kind!
Oh, he's pissed. Holy shit. This is fucking crazy. Is that a shadow demon dog? Yo, don't tell me I gotta fight somebody right now already. Did he just give that dog a sword?
Stupid dog.
Oh. Whoa!
Mark this.
It's Zhao Yun!
He's not just any monkey. He's a monkey of merit. A monkey was made Buddha once. None other than me can challenge him to a duel.
Yo.
Look, monkey.
Look, that's my escape keycap. Look up his shoulder.
Bested before. Here's my offer. If you lose, I'll take you to the Celestial Court. They will stay and level your mountain.
No, not my mountain. You better stay away from my mountain.
Lose, I shall certainly take revenge, and they will level your mountain nonetheless.
Oh. So I don't have a choice? Is that what? I think I do.
How tragic would that be, huh? You are one of the court. We don't need to resort to violence.
Nah, bro, you killed my kind. What can I say?
How about you bend
No mercy.
the knees, admit the wrongs, and we can put this behind us.
Never. Never. Monkey.
All these years. Except for that pig. You're the one who talks the tallest tales. Good. I am entertained. Speaking of entertainment, wouldn't it be fun if I pluck your extra eye out for my snack and allow you to keep the other two? Because I'd hate
That's how I point.
to
Let's
miss
go,
how
monkey.
I'll slaughter each mongrel of the court. Those below, those above, and that black mutt of yours.
Dude, bro is fearless. Look at him. They're like 500 feet tall. You know,
They gave you.
oh my god, the battle's starting? Am I really fighting this guy right now? Hey, bro. Hold up. Hey, back up. Hey, chill, chill. I'm out of here. You're wrecked, you're trash. Admit it. Is this my soul? Just... what are these specials? What do these do? I'm gonna just hit this. What's this? Can I get out of here? I don't know what's going on. Ooh, heavy attack? I'll be doing that. Dodge, dodge, dodge. Heavy attack. Oh, he's got the little antennas like Lubu from Dynasty. That was so fucking sick!
The victorious fighting Buddha. Have you any idea how many would give their everything for immortality?
Also, his third eye is like open.
For that word, all realms and beings have ruined themselves.
Get wrecked. Get wrecked, you're trash. I'm out of here. Ow! Hey, man. Hey, take this. We're literally fighting in the clouds. This is so sick. What are you doing? Stop that. Stop. Stop what you're doing. I don't know what's happening, but I think I'm cooking. I can't tell. Hit the 3-man. Hit the 3-man. Yeah, bring my monkey squad out. Yeah, what's up? Yeah, get wrecked. You trash. You trash. You trash. Hey, chill.
The Celestial Court welcomed you, foul monkey, yet you remain untamed. None shall save you now.
What are you gonna do?
Dear brother, your edge needs honing. Good. I was in need of a back scratcher.
Oh, shit. Hey, what's he doing? Stop. Stop. What's happening? Ow. 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 Stop. Hey, relax. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. You want a heavy attack? How about that? Ow, 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 ow. Heavy, 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 heavy. Yes. Get wrecked. Yeah! Yes! Get Lubu'd! Get Lubu'd! Eat my halberd! Yes! I am the warrior! I am, not you! Monkey win every time! I'm getting Thanos snapped. Homies, where you at? Squad up? Oh, you can't fight, huh? You can't fight 8 of us at once, can you? Dang, that's tough, bro. Imagine. Woo! Get wrecked! just slapped God. Monkey. Oh, they're pissed. Wait, don't tell me I gotta fight all these. No, dude.
Monkey! Taste my axe!
That's too big, man. Hey, yo. Okay, how am I alive? No way, monkey, that's strong. Is that my mountain, bro? If that's my mountain, dude. If that's my mountain, bro.
You call that a duel? The glare up here is dazzling. Fight me in the woods if you have the guts.
Yeah, I'm out of here. Bro, this is the coolest thing ever. Am I a bird now? I'm a bird now. I'm sorry, what just happened? Holy shit! Dude, I have not played a modern game in a long time. This is like the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
And so ends the last tale of Sun Wukong. A hero who treasured his freedom above all else. Buddhahood he attained, yes, but cumbersome he found the celestial rules, for he yearned to come back and to revel in the simple joys with us.
Fuck yeah, dude. Oh my god, I love this game.
Little did he know, his choice to forgo the life above only fueled their mistrust.
Is that him? He's in there. He's fine.
This stone has stood for countless days on the mountain. Since my youth, they've said that his remains lie within it. Unbegotten, undying, such is the nature of a stone monkey. Though his body was broken, his spirit endures. Into 6 relics he turned, and separately they escaped, choosing to stay hidden. Those are the 6 senses of the great sage. Yet no one has ever seen them, not in centuries.
There's the gourd! Look, it's the gourd!
Venture through all the lands.
You see it? It's right here.
I cannot. Yet among you, there might be one who is destined.
Me? Monkey?
One that shall recover all his scattered relics. And upon the return of the relics to Mount Tuaguo, he may yet rise again.
Oh, fuck yeah. And just like that, welcome to Black Myth Wukong, ladies and gentlemen. Woo-Kong, you know what I mean? Sorry, I was waiting forever to make that joke. Holy shit, that is the craziest intro. I'm done. I'm hooked. I'm in. I'm playing this on my own. Y'all can't watch. I'm out of here. That game is freaking awesome. It's so beautiful. My computer ran it, and keyboard come match with it. So I really like this keyboard. It feels really nice. One of 1,000 of these made, and it's got gold, Black Myth Wukong. Keycaps. It's got the little escape thing. It's got his shoulder piece. It's got the gourd. It's just freaking stunning. I love it. Definitely check it out. Like I said, it's $259. You can also get the cheaper version without some of the special stuff, but I recommend getting this one because it's just awesome. Make sure you get one before it's gone. Smash like, subscribe, play Black Myth Wukong. Please, I'm going to be playing that. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks, Keychron. Smash like, subscribe, and buy this thing. It's freaking awesome. I'll leave a link for it in the description along with the software and stuff. Buy it. Bye. Play Black Myth Wukong and then play it on the Black Myth Wukong keyboard. Bye. Buy both. Okay, see you later.